No one wants to wait around for a slow website to load. A faster website improves user experience and boosts search engine rankings. It's a complex field, but some basic SEO best practices include using relevant keywords in your content, optimizing your website structure for crawlability, and building high-quality backlinks. It's also about providing a great user experience. Search engines like Google prioritize websites that load quickly, so make sure your site is optimized for speed. Now, if you're a local business, local SEO is your best friend. This involves optimizing your website for local searches, such as restaurants near me or best coffee shops in your city. Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business. Use local keywords in your content and encourage customer reviews. Level up your website. So, there you have it. A crash course in website maintenance. We've covered everything from the essential upkeep tasks to the nitty-gritty of security and optimization.